Hey guys, this is how to tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how you can make circle in latex. So let's get started and start with a new document. So firstly, just create a basic document style by using document class as article. And for making any kind of geometry and diagram types, you have to use external packages. So I'm going to use two external packages. So first one is pgf plots and second one is text, and after that just start the document in, and inside the document just create a text picture environment and in the same as well. Now here's the important part. So now document is just blank, and here is the important part. Using the command draw is a command in latex which is used to draw anything like geometry, straight lines, any kind of diagram. So first will be used draw for general purposes. So first we will use the draw and then insert the center of the circle, which is, suppose here we are going for 0, 0, which is origin, and then after write the word circle, circle, and inside the square bracket define the radius. So radius is equals to, let assume the 2 centimeter as the radius, so 2 centimeter, then close, and it will make a circle of radius 2 centimeter like this. So you can tweak little bit extra if you want more, and this is how you make the circle in latex. If you want like circumference should be much wider than this one, so just add little bit extra features like ultra thick, and color as well is red, so you have to define inside the square bracket. So you can see as like this. And if you want to change the circle radius, so just change the circle of radius 5. That's it for this video, and thank you for watching. If you want more videos on latex, just check out my channel and feel free to subscribe. And especially if you are interested in geometry in latex, so currently I am learning the latex, and I am currently posting daily a video on latex. So subscribe, and I will catch you later. Thank you.